really pleased with this. I was just getting dressed for the day and I suddenly realised I could do a video. This is my icebreaker merino cami. I've made a video about this before. I've had this now for a good 2 years now because I bought it during the Black Friday sale. So that's my tip, is to try and find end of season sales, Black Friday sales, when some of these merino pieces are cheaper, because they're gonna last you, but they are really expensive. I've worn this just like this as a cami. I've also primarily worn it during, it's done me 3 winters now. I actually wear it under my thermals, which I know isn't necessary, but I just love it. I wear it to work, I think 5 days a week, and it's just been absolutely amazing. But it has stood up so well. I love it. I love it. I would buy it again in a heartbeat. However, at some point while I've been away, there was a Macpac sale on it, and I bought their version, I think, of this. At Macpac is generally a lot cheaper than Icebreaker. I also bought this on sale, but it actually says on the back here that it is the same price, $69.99. This one actually says it's 150 grams on the outside, so that's great. Well, this is in a size 14. Typically, I'm like a 14, 16. Also, because if I'm gonna wear this as like a tank top, I want it to be a little bit bigger. So, I don't know if this is going to be better or worse. It doesn't have the adjustable straps, I just see. It literally is, oh, this is a little bit see-through as well. But again, got plenty of stretch. Okay, so, ooh, this one goes up under the arms even more than the icebreaker. And that's the difference, having an adjustable. They both have thin straps at the top where my bra straps are going to come through, but I don't mind. I will see again when I've been editing how badly see-through this is. Go down. Oh, it's a little bit shorter. Ever so slightly shorter. They're both 100% merino wool. I expect it's going to last, designed in New Zealand. This one you'll find cheaper. Softness. And again, this is straight out of the packet, so it is super soft. And maybe that's it just has that new softness, whereas this has a worn-in softness. This seems to sit up a little bit higher, I think, as well. Ever so slightly. This one does come up quite high under the arms, but this one is higher under the arms, and you can't change. And if you can do like me and get it on a end of season, or if there's a public holiday, Macpac doesn't do free shipping. When I bought this, Icebreaker did do free shipping. Now you've got to spend $100 to get the free shipping. I'd go for this one if you can get it on sale, because then it's cheaper. But just know it just isn't quite as long. But for 100% merino, hopefully a base layer that's going to last you for years. But it really just goes in the regular wash all the time. I also do have other videos on merino, because you know I love me some merino. I'm a Kiwi, of course. Merino underwear review, merino socks review, merino leggings review. I have them all because they're just what I wear in my everyday life.